Hope you are ready with your drawing with outline and ready. Now I will show you how to color your alphabets as well as your poster background also. Today we are going to use the brush with the different techniques. Please, as usual, erase your unwanted lines and clear your paper like as usual, right? First you will color with your brush paints. The same brush paints, immediately use the water and spread with the water. You can see like a cake color, the same color will merge. While going down, take more water, you can shade more light color. But you have to do it very immediately. If you will not do, then you will get the partition between the color and shades. If you feel you will not able to do the immediately, there is one more shortcut. Whichever part we need the watery, please try and apply the water beforehand. Now here in the starting I have not applied the water. So you can see it's a dark. Now it's automatic merging with the water because I've already applied the water. So it's very easy. It's automatically merging with the water. Same way again I will give water not touching to the border but wherever I want the shading. So it's a beautiful effect is coming. You can see. Natural dark to light effect. The same way for the background, you have your cake colors also. Use orange color, skin color orange, just spread with the water. Very less color and fast work. For the earth, water, blue color touching to your grass part. Dark, then light and light. So very less color in the middle, only touching to the grasses, bushes and land you will do the dark. Spread with the water. Natural flow. For the land, use green color, mix with the yellow, little bit brown, sandy brown, red plus blue ice effect, You will show the roundity to your object. The virus, you can use your choice, any color, red, blue, black, green, grey. This is the way it's coming outside. Now always the background is very important. I've used dark poster color, Persian blue, you can take blue to light color, you can take purple to light color, you can take crimson red to orange and light color. So background color is depend upon your choice color, whichever color you need. Or you can multicolor background also you can do it. Just spread with the cake colors and spread with the water. You can use a poster color and trick color. You can use the crayons and merge it. You have a freedom to use different colors and techniques. Hope you understood. Writing skill is very important. Earth, save earth, how to do the poster pictures. Hope you understood. Have a nice day. Have a great day.